Greetings from Talanta Institute. My name is Alvin Gao, an ICT digital marketing lecturer. I am here to provide insights into our IT department and its courses. Our IT department offers practical and market-ready courses that prepare individuals for the fast-paced IT environment. Let's explore our course and offerings. Number 1, Web Design and Web Development Professional Certificate is a course designed to empower the student with skills and knowledge essential to the development of websites. The course content covers topics such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, UX/UI design, web hosting, and web deployment and maintenance. The course duration is 6 months, entry requirements, a copy of ID, 2 passports, and prior IT knowledge. Python is one of the most popular programming languages, which is used in everything from a machine learning to building website and software testing. Course content includes Python basics, control flow, data structures, object-oriented programming, and error handling exception. The course duration is 3 months, entry requirements, a copy of ID, 2 national passports, and prior IT knowledge. Ethical Hacking Vocational Certificate, a 3-month course that involves authorized attempt to gain unauthorized access to a computer system or data so as to identify security vulnerabilities, which can be resolved before a malicious attacker has the opportunity to exploit them. Course content covers areas like system hacking, social engineering, web application, security, and cloud computing. Entry requirement is a copy of ID, passport photos, and prior IT knowledge. Introduction to Computer Application and Concept is a short course that covers software suite, which include word processing, spreadsheet, database, and presentation. Courses content include Microsoft Office tools, emails, and internet usage, troubleshooting, and this much more. Recommended prerequisite is keyboard skills, and the course is just 1 month, 2 weeks duration. Digital Marketing Professional Short Course is a 3-month course. Here you explore the world of digital marketing and its various platforms. Course content covers online marketing, social media, content marketing, SEO, and digital strategy. Entry requirements, a copy of ID, 2 national passports, and IT knowledge. Thank you for considering Talanta for your IT education. Karibu Talanta, we unveil champions.